Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and warm good morning to everyone. Hope you are waiting for the maths class. So inshallah we will enjoy again this class. Last time we already studied about the shape, right? So actually the lesson name is shape and pattern. So last time I explained about the shapes. With this shape, help of these shapes, we are making the different pattern. Okay, then what is the pattern? A pattern form the front part is a type of theme of recurring event of object, something referred to as element of a set of object. Okay, these elements repeated in a predictable manner. It can be a template or model which can be used to generate things or parts of a thing, especially if the things that are created have enough in common for the underlying pattern to be a infinite, in which case the things are said to exhibit the unique pattern or repeated decorative design. You know, if you are using suppose circle and triangle, then first circle, then triangle, then again circle, then triangle, and use the your lovely colors, different colors, then it again and again repeat, it make beautiful, it become a beautiful pattern. If you want to use three shapes like circle, triangle, square, as you like. See, I am using here star and yes, square. So first star, then square, star and square, then what the next come? Star. Here we are I am using oval and triangle. Oval and triangle. What the after triangle come? Oval. Here I am using next arrow. Up and down. Up arrow and down arrow. So what the next? What comes next? Yes, up arrow. Now down we are using diamond and circle. So what come next? What comes next? Right, circle. Here like that, one shape here we are using and cylinder. Before I use without color, now I am using 2 or 3 shapes with the colors. See what color it will come here. What color? Yes. Actually the color is orange. Okay, light orange and dark orange. So here is in star green. Yes. Here what color? Pink. Here we are using green. And what color in heart? Yes, yellow. So see, I am using almost shape and making the beautiful patterns. Here in that laptop or systems, many shapes are there. You can use your shapes, color it and make in the copy beautiful design, like with the help of shape you make the houses. Last class I showed you. Now you make the pattern. It's repeated. Pattern means you can repeat that same shapes, then it taking the long, you can decorate your house, door, copy. Okay, see the pattern. And here you can use alphabetical order also. A B A B A B C A B C, like anything. Three letters you can use. See, O U T out, O U T out. This also pattern. See, I am using here faces. Happy face, stars, moon, sun. Cookie. So what the next here? You can possible draw in the copy. Okay. Otherwise, just you understand the concept of pattern. See, I am using here even the dots and slanting line, standing line, sleeping line, curve. See, so you can make here also. This work you will try to in the maths copy, so better, because it's already making the boxes square, so it's easy for you. Use scale and pencil. Then you want to color. Okay dear all, see this also pattern for the practice. Whatever here like this you can do in the maths copy. This you can easily do in the maths copy. This is maybe difficult, better you will do in the paper. Okay, here if possible take the print. Already here is the given the blank, so you can only use pencil or sketch one fill. Okay, and this is I make the pattern. See, I use oval, arrow, star, and this is the flower, or you can say sun. Then after sun what come again? Yes, this is oval, then arrow, then star, then this is the sun. Then again after sun what come? Again oval, like this. So it's come beautiful. See, if you are using draw proper shapes and proper places, then it will come beautiful. Your use first time your drawing circle is different, and after that big and small, so it's not look nice. If you want circle big, small, okay, but pattern should be same size, same place, then it should look beautiful. Okay dear all, I hope you understand. Thank you so much. Remember in your prayer, stay at home. Allah Hafiz. We will meet the next class. Please bring all material whatever required. Thank you so much.